Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the ice maker fill tube in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. To move the refrigerator away from the wall, raise both front leveling legs. Open the freezer door and remove the ice bucket. Using a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver, fully unthread the lower screw, securing the ice maker to the liner. Loosen the 2 upper screws. With the screws loosened, you can lift the ice maker off of the screws. Pull the extension tube off of the old fill tube. Next, remove the pinch clamps securing the water supply line to the fill tube and pull the line free. Unthread the mounting screw and remove the old fill tube. Before you install the new ice maker fill tube, make sure to slide on the gasket. Now insert the new fill tube through the hole in the rear panel and thread the mounting screw to secure. Confirm that the metal insert is still in place in the water line, then insert the line into the new fill tube. Use a new clamp to secure. Returning to the freezer compartment, slide the extension onto the new fill tube. Realign the ice maker on the fill tube as you hook the brackets on the upper screws. Tighten the screws. Thread and tighten the lower screw. Replace the ice bucket. Push the refrigerator back against the wall and lower the front leveling legs. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.